Hello YouTubers, welcome to my porch build day 2. I just got a GoPro 11, so I've got a lot of problems with downloading, so this is just a quick video. I'll try and download the full content tomorrow. So this is how the porch is going. This was Wednesday, Thursday, so I've got the framework up. In a minute you'll see me putting the Faverage cladding on, feather boards, and then you'll see me constructing the doors. I bought some tongue and groove and some 4x2s which I ripped down with the track saw with 2x2s. So I'll upload this one now. So you see me down in the feather boards. I've got a little jig I use so it keeps them in line. So the plan is to nail the feather boards all the way around to create the opening, and then we move on to putting or designing and making the split doors. It's quite exciting with them. I'm going to have a little flap for parcels and everything, so I'm really closing this porch off now. It's evolved this because it was supposed to just be a sort of a bit of feather board, but gone a bit mad, but enjoy. So just finish off nailing or screwing the top plate, and now that allows me to nail the feather boards all the way across to the left hand side. Right, sharpening the old pencil. You need some lead in your pencil. It's good this camera makes it exactly on. Right. Just sharpening this. Keep it nice and sharp, right? Oh, it's the rain. Oh no. Are you waterproof, GoPro 11? I think you are, aren't you? You better be. What's that? Sharp. Right, so what we're going to do is cut. So you can see me nailing the tongue groove. Well, we've moved it forward. All the feather boards are all now on the inside, so I've moved outside. I've got STS board ready for the split face. I'm gonna cut it. The camera's waterproof. These are. So the end of this video. I'll try and upload the correct videos tomorrow, and I've filmed today, so the porch build is going very well.